Welcome to Golden Software's video training for Voxler 3. Voxler is Golden Software's 3D data visualization program. Voxler can create many different 3D map types such as isosurfaces, height fields, vol renders, contour maps, and well renders. In this demonstration, I will cover how to load and visualize well data. Loading well data into Voxler is a simple process. I will import three sets of data: a collars table, a trajectories table, and a samples table. Click File, Import. Select Sample Well Data 2.xlsx and click Open. In the XLSX import options, I'll select the collars table for the first import and click OK. In the Select Data Columns dialog, we will want to modify a few settings. First, click the radio button to import this data as wells. If the data contains a header row such as this, check Use Header Row. In the Wells section, click the drop-down under Mark Fields for and select Collars. The required information automatically populates under the Type column. The column designations for each type of data are automatically assigned because the header names match the required data type names. Required information is marked with an asterisk. Well name, XYZ tops, azimuth, dip, and total depth are required fields. You can add or remove a row if you have additional information in your data file and would like to include or omit extra columns. Click OK and the data is imported to the Network Manager as a well data module. Well data modules act as a container for your well data. The collars information has been loaded. Now we will import the trajectory information into the same well data module. Click File, Import. Select Sample Well Data 2.xlsx and click Open. In the XLSX import options, select the trajectories table and click OK. In the Select Data Columns dialog, make sure Import as Wells is selected and Use Header Row is checked. Mark the fields for a directional survey. Now we will want to make sure Add to Existing Well Data module is checked. If you uncheck this box, the data will be imported into a different well data module. Click OK and the information is added to the existing well data module. I will add a grid file and a height field module to help give the well path some reference. Click File, Import. Select elevation.grd and click Open. In the Lattice Import Options dialog, select Import as Curvilinear Lattice and click OK. Click Network, Graphics Output, Height Field, and a height field will be displayed. To view the well paths, click the Well Data module, then click Network, Graphics Output, Well Render. The well paths will appear in the viewer window, but the paths have not been calculated. Click on the Well Data module and click the Well Paths tab. Click the Compute Paths button and we will see the well paths update to use the directional survey information. To load and display additional logs along the well paths, click File, Import. Select Sample Well Data 2.xlsx and click Open. In the XLSX import options, select the Samples table and click OK. In the Selected Data Columns dialog, make sure Import as Wells is selected and Use Header Row is checked. Mark the fields for From To logs and then click Add Row twice. The titanium dioxide and manganese oxide logs are added to the Type column. Click OK to import the data into the existing well data module. To view the interval data along the well path, click on the Well Render module, then the Interval Data tab. Check the Show Intervals checkbox. Make sure the data source is set to From To values. Select a log from the drop-down for the interval log. Change the color method to By Log. Select the manganese oxide for the color log option. You can change the color map, size, and size method to your preferences. This concludes the video training for loading and visualizing well data. If you have any additional questions, please contact Golden Software.